Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Leo. What's yours?
My name is Lily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Japan. What about you?
I'm from France.
Where do you live?
I live in Paris. And you?
I live in Tokyo.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
I'm 24 years old. What do you do?
I'm a student. What about you?
I work at a hospital.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have an older sister. What about you?
I have two brothers.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling.
Yes, I love traveling.
I love sushi. What's yours?
I really like pasta.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Do you?
No, I don't have any pets.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books and watching movies.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy classical music.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak Japanese and English.
I speak French and a little Spanish.
What's your favorite season?
I like summer. What about you?
I prefer spring.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like playing tennis.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play soccer.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like cooking Italian food.
Do you have any hobbies?
I enjoy playing guitar and cycling.
Do you like playing video games?
Yes, I do.
What's your dream job?
I want to be a scientist. And you?
I want to be a pilot.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Do you like reading newspapers?
Sometimes I read the news online.
Have you ever been to another country?
Yes, I visited Italy and Spain.
Have you traveled abroad?
Yes, I've been to the United States and Canada.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I like to relax at home or visit friends.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm a morning person.
What's your favorite holiday?
Yes, I like watching comedies.
What's your favorite fruit?
Yes, I enjoy dancing.
Yes, I enjoy dancing.
My favorite fruit is mango. What's yours?
I love apples.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I enjoy going to the beach.
Do you enjoy cooking for others?
Yes, I like cooking for my family.
Do you like learning new things?
Yes, I love learning new things.
Do you like art?
Yes, I enjoy visiting art museums.
Do you play any instruments?
Do you play any instruments?
What's your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is the rose.
Do you like watching movies at home or in the cinema?
I enjoy going to the cinema.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I like sunny weather. What about you?
I enjoy rainy days.
Do you like going to concerts?
Yes, I enjoy going to concerts.
Do you like working in a team or alone?
I prefer working in a team.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I enjoy spicy dishes.
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is ice cream. What's yours?
I love chocolate cake.
Yes, I enjoy writing stories.
Do you like wearing casual or formal clothes?
I prefer formal clothes.
I like casual clothes.
Do you like fast food?
Sometimes I do.
Do you like camping?
Yes, I enjoy camping in summer. I love camping in the mountains.
What's your favorite day of the week?
I like Friday the most.
Do you like riding bicycles?
Yes, I ride my bike every weekend.
Do you like reading poems?
Yes, I enjoy poetry.
Do you like going fishing?
Yes, I enjoy fishing with my family.
It was really nice talking to you, Leo.
Yes, it was great chatting with you too, Lily.
I hope we can talk again soon.
Absolutely, I'd like that.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Take care.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.